Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Jupyter Notebook in Windows. So first we will install Python and after that we can install Jupyter Notebook. So let's get started. Just Google Python and we'll be having the official link python.org. Click it and here we will be having the downloads option. Select this. And here we are having the latest version of Python, which is Python 3.14.2. In case if you want to download the older version of Python, just scroll down and here as you can see, looking for a specific release, we are having all the previous versions over here. So you can just click it and try downloading it, okay, from here. So in case if you are looking for the old ones. So in my case, I just want to go with the default one. So just click on here. That's it. The setup file will be getting downloaded, just 28 MB in size. So once that is done, just open it. And here we need to choose these two checkboxes, okay? Check this, and make sure that you are clicking this install now. I got setup was successful. I'll just click on close and now I'll just go to search, type command prompt and just run the command python space -- version and hit enter. And as you can see, I've got Python 3.14.2. and if I run the command pip space -- version, we'll be getting the pip version also. Now to install Jupyter Notebook, the command is pip space install space notebook and hit enter. This will basically download the Jupyter Notebook library. So that's it. We have successfully installed Jupyter Notebook. Now just go to a desired folder, okay? And here I have just created a new folder. I will just go inside it and click here and type cmd. So I'm just doing this to open the Jupyter Notebook project in this particular folder. So here just run the command Jupyter space notebook and hit enter. And this will automatically open our Jupyter Notebook project in localhost 8888. So it will open it in your default browser. So at this moment I don't have anything inside the folder, right? It was a new folder. So I can just click on this new button and select Python 3. And this will create a untitled .ipynb file, which is the Jupyter Notebook file. So I can just go and type print hello, something like this, just the basic Python commands. So I can run it, we'll be getting that printed. In case if you want to save this, here I'm having the save button. I'll click that, or I can do file save notebook or save notebook as. So by this way I can just change the name. I can save it as demo and that's it. Here you can see I'm having the demo, and if I go to that new folder, I'm having two things. One is the untitled one and the another one that we have created as demo. And in case if you are getting any errors when running the command Jupyter Notebook over here, make sure that you are running the command python space -m notebook. So just run this command and after that try running the command Jupyter Notebook in case if you are getting any errors. So to change the theme, here we are having settings, theme and Jupyter Dark. By this way we can have the dark mode enabled also. That's the video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of